Here I have Google Pixel XL, and let me show you how to enable the developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by enabling the home screen. Find and select the settings. Here let's choose System, select About Phone, scroll down, and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer. You can go back, and right here you can find developer options under backup, and here you can use all the following features. For example, you can disable or enable OEM unlocking, so you can allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can also use the USB debugging right here. Let's tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key, and now you can use your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.